Welcome to AI World and Tutorials. We're excited to have you here. In this video, we'll guide you on how to learn machine learning and data analytics from beginner to intermediate levels. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your knowledge, we've got you covered. Start by learning the core concepts of machine learning. Supervised and unsupervised learning. These are the foundational building blocks. Understand these two main approaches to machine learning, where supervised learning uses labeled data and unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data to find patterns. This distinction is crucial for your learning journey. Programming languages. Focus on Python or R and use libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn for data manipulation and building machine learning models. These tools are essential for any data scientist. As you advance, here's how to deepen your skills in machine learning. Building and evaluating models. This is where the real magic happens. Get familiar with algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and k-means clustering. Each algorithm has its own strengths and applications. Learn to evaluate models using accuracy, precision, recall, and cross-validation. These metrics will help you understand the performance of your models. Feature engineering. Understand the importance of transforming raw data into useful inputs for models by selecting and creating new features. This step can significantly improve your model's performance. Apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios. Work with real data. This is where theory meets practice. Use platforms like Kaggle to solve real-world problems by building models that predict outcomes or uncover insights from datasets. It's a great way to test your skills. Join machine learning communities. Participate in online forums and challenges to learn from others, share your projects, and enhance your skills. Collaboration is key in this field. Learning advanced methods.
Explore advanced methods like neural networks and deep learning. Using frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras can help you build more complex models. Dive into natural language processing, NLP, to work with text data. Techniques like tokenization, stemming, and sentiment analysis are crucial in this area. Learn about computer vision to analyze image data. Techniques like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, are essential for tasks like image classification and object detection. Workshops and seminars are also great opportunities to learn from experts and network with peers. Engaging in these activities can significantly boost your learning curve. Working on projects is a practical way to apply what you've learned. Create a project timeline to stay organized and track your progress. Presenting your projects to others and receiving feedback is crucial for improvement. It helps you identify areas for growth and refine your skills. As you gain more experience, update your resume to reflect your new skills and projects. Highlighting your machine learning expertise can open up new career opportunities. Prepare for job interviews by practicing common machine learning questions and scenarios. Being well prepared can give you a competitive edge in the job market. Finally, celebrate your achievements and continue to set new goals. The field of machine learning is ever evolving, and continuous learning is key to staying ahead. Remember, AI World and Tutorials is here to support you with a wealth of resources and guidance. Keep exploring and learning with us. Your improvement is our happiness. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Best of luck on your machine learning journey.